if Jesus is 100% human and tempted in every way we were, does that mean he inherited a fallen nature from the fall?
No.
Could you elaborate?
In the first place, that Jesus is not 100% human. His human nature is 100% human. But he also has a divine nature, which is 100% divine. Okay? So we got two natures, one person. Let's start there. But the question really is getting at, if he's in his human nature 100% human, wouldn't that necessitate that he be born with original sin? That's what the question is, isn't it? Because all human beings, after Adam, are born in that condition. Okay? This is the second Adam. And Adam was 100% human before he fell. And we will be 100% human in heaven without sin. So sin is not a necessary condition for humanness. It is the universal condition of fallen humanity.